Welcome back to HARBRO Freight Quality Videos, lowest prices. And today we're getting ready. We're getting ready for the parking lot sale. And we'll go ahead and jump right in. We'll go over which sockets I believe are going to be the best ones to get so you can prepare. But of course, you can get whatever you want, 40% off all sockets. And if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's go ahead and click on the 40%. We have sockets, allegedly Pittsburgh Icon and Quinn. But we'll go ahead and jump into first. We have Quinn. The 1/2-inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket set coming in at $180. It compares to the Capri Tools 5,000 for $250, which is slightly more expensive. And they got the price right, $250. And this, I'm not gonna lie, I like Capri Tools. This Capri Tools is pretty nice. So I can't say you could go wrong with this Capri Tool set, but that's what it compares to. But Quinn is also pretty amazing. So their impact sockets, all constructed from heat-treated chrome, molybdenum steel. You guys tell me how to pronounce that. Molybdenum steel and are fully impact rated to withstand use with all impact tools. Of course, comes available in 3/8 inch, which is only $100, or 1/2 inches, which is the 180. So we'll do the 180 first. Of course, all sockets sets are going to be 40% off. So at 180, you're going to get this for 40% off. You can get it for $108, which is an incredible deal on a 61-piece set. And here's a list of everything they have on there, both metric and SAE, 1/2-inch drive impact sockets, 1/2-inch drive deep impact sockets, 1/2-inch drive impact extension bars, and 1/2-inch drive impact universal joints. So basically, you're kind of getting a little bit of everything all in one package. You got some swivel sockets as well. Looks like at least one swivel socket. Deep and non-deep, some extensions. Excellent deal. And then at the 3/8 inch, this is a 48-piece and normally $100. And actually, this one we don't have to bring out the calculator, even though I will at $100 at 60% off, at 40% off. You're getting it for $60. $60, which is incredible. That's absolutely wow. So this is my top pick. And these are in any order, but top pick for if you don't have a set like this is going to be an excellent choice. So here's the Quinn 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive SAE metric master impact socket sets. Next, Icon alert. Icon, the 1/2-inch drive SAE impact swivel socket sets, both in SAE and in metric, $140. They believe, yes, they are both $140, except the SAE set comes with 14 pieces. And the metric set comes with only 13. Why? Nobody knows. It's a mystery of the universe, kind of like what is a black hole or what is dark energy. That's why we don't know why there's a difference between the 14 and 13 piece set between metric and SAE. We digress. $140 for either one. And of course, your swivel socket sets, it says it here. Well, these are premium, of course, Icon. Free moving universal joint, and it's for the easy access to hard reach nuts and bolts. Sometimes the angle of your tool is just impossible to get to. This is probably a bad example in this case. Maybe it's not. They're just taking a picture, but there's just some angles that you cannot get to unless you have that mobility in that joint in your swivel socket, which makes it a dream sometimes to work on certain things, and as opposed to a nightmare. So at $140. And at 40% off, you're getting this for $84, either the 13-piece or the 14-piece, either metric or SAE. This is my next top pick of sockets to get, especially if you don't have some. These will be lifesavers, especially if you're working on cars pretty often. Even if you're not, this will save you a headache. Next, basically the same thing, except this is the 3/8 inch, so I won't go into the whole existential crisis of the universe into these, but these are the 3/8 inch drive SAE impact swivel socket set. Comes in a decent case. 12 piece for SAE, of course, 10 piece. This is even more different. 10 piece for the metric. Same price across both. And at $115 at 40% off, you're getting it for $69.99. This takes the spot of my favorite deal. So I recommend the 3/8 inch drive SAE impact swivel socket set, the 12-piece, or the metric 10-piece 3/8 inch at $69. This is the steal of a deal, the must get. And again, nice price, but it's to be able to get into those hard to reach nuts and bolts at $69. Next, the Quinn Master Bit socket set. This is an 87-piece set priced at $99.99. This durable Master Bit socket set is constructed from heat-treated chrome vanadium and S2 steel to withstand frequent use in high torque work. 87-piece. This is a master set, so there's no multiple options, and it's a Master Bit set, which I think is pretty unique. We'll go through some of the pictures here. It has some high vis features, and it's probably, once you have this Master Bit socket set, you won't need any other bits sets after this. Premium steel bits, exceptional strength and durability, full polish finish, corrosion resistance, easily wipes clean, custom case, has removable hinges, and you can convert it into tool drawer organizers, which is pretty cool. I think you see that in a lot of these. But you can just put this straight into, oh, looks like they have it here, straight into your storage, your toolbox. So excellent get here at $99. We don't have to do the math for this one. 40% off is $40 off. You'll get this for $60. 87 piece for $60. Great choice for your 40% off nuts. Next, Pittsburgh Pro alert. I saw somebody in the comments say pickings are slim when I say there's a Pittsburgh alert. This is not true. Don't sleep on Pittsburgh. It's true sometimes. I'm not going to lie. Pittsburgh Pro alert. 1/2 inch drive, super high torque lug nut impact socket set, 11 piece, $80. These are impact sockets and are designed to prevent damage to rims. And I can't lie. I think I mentioned this in the other video where I briefly went over them. These are nice. These are just nice to kind of look at. I'm sad that there isn't more pictures, but I'm digging the soft red casing on these to protect the rims. And it's Pittsburgh Pro. We're going to read more. Super strong impact sockets are designed with scratch-proof rubberized coating to prevent damage to wheel rims. Heavy-duty chrome molybdenum, that sounds better, construction designed for high torque tools, 30% stronger than chrome vanadium sockets. Polyethylene jacket prevents scratches. Permanently high vis laser etch markings for quick identification. And I kind of agree. These are nice. So at $80, but getting the 40% off, you're getting them for $3,312. Okay, I did something wrong. At $80 and at 60% off, you're getting them for $48. 11-piece set, beautiful set, Pittsburgh Pro, getting them for $48. What a deal. And people don't, I'm going to say people don't like them. People will sleep on Pittsburgh, so hopefully these won't sell out. So these will kind of be like the sneak of a deal. If everything is sold out, maybe you can find some of these, but these are excellent. Everyone's doing wheel work. Everyone's doing tire work. You need some of these to not scuff up your rims. Even if you don't have nice rims, don't scuff up your rims. Next, and this was kind of a wild card. This is Maddox, and the flyer clearly states Icon Quinn in Pittsburgh, but I found these Maddox heavy-duty oil filter wrench set as part of the deals. Now, Maddox has done 40% off of all Maddox, so this isn't a new deal. This isn't something we haven't seen before, but at 40%, I want to say mostly everybody needs some filter wrenches. If you're working on at least a couple of cars, everyone tends to have a couple cars in their family or friends, or if you're doing more work. But we have this Maddox heavy-duty oil filter wrench set. Remove and install hard to reach filters. And we've all struggled. We've all been there. 3/8 inch drive, 2-step fluted caps. Fits most domestic and imported vehicles. Heavy-duty steel construction. What is not to love? And you have a variety of options. What is that? 4x5, 20 different sizes for Maddox. Nice case carrying set at $75, and at $75 at 40% off. You're getting these for $45. So again, one of those kind of must-have tools, but at a huge discount. Let's keep going. Another nice set, not as many pieces, and it's actually a little bit less expensive, but it's Icon, another Icon alert. I mean, we expect Icon, but this is the Icon 3/8" drive oil filter sockets, 7-piece at $50. Now you're only getting 7 pieces, but it's Icon. Quickly and easily remove and replace cartridge-style oil and fuel filters on popular domestic European and Asian vehicles, which we all have. We're all working on our Honda Civics. We know this. And an excellent carry case. Even says it's a 7-piece oil filter socket set right there on the front. This case is nice too. And look at that. Hinges, remove the top so you can put it in your tool storage. And at $50, at 40% off, you're getting it for $30. A filter socket set, a premium filter socket set for $30. That's a no-brainer. No-brainer. Next, another great deal. And this one is available in 2 sizes. So I guess just depending what kind of variety you're looking for. But we already have this excellently priced, this Icon multi-spline screw extractor set. Again, this is one of those things. Everyone needs an extractor set. I've spent $20, $30 on a 4 or 5 piece set from Ace Hardware that didn't last me very long. But this set comes with the Icon warranty already, so you can replace it if something gets busted, but you're getting this for 40% off. So the larger 25-piece extractor set from Icon, $69.99. I'd pay full price for it, but of course, we don't want to do that. 40% off, getting it for $42. $42 for this set, which is a steal of a deal. And then if we're looking at the 15-piece extractor set, they do have it for ITC right now, but we don't care because we are patiently waiting for the parking lot sale. And at $50, at 40% off, we're getting it for $30. The 15-piece for $30. And again, these have warranty for them. So if you bust them and it's one of those tools that's likely to get busted or broken, you could take them in and the manufacturer's lifetime warranty. Hassle-free lifetime warranty. That's worth the price in and of itself. So you don't have to worry about these breaking, and there's Harbor Freight's almost everywhere. I want to say most likely you'll have an easy time returning these. So another great get here for the 40% off. And then some more Icon. The 3/8" drive SAE professional crowfoot wrench set, 11-piece at $60. Available in metric and SAE. And then for some reason they do the same thing. The SAE is 11-piece and the metric is 10-piece. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato. But still, an excellent set to have. This is one of those excellent options to have in your toolbox. The crowfoot wrench set. It fits into tight areas and grips hard to reach fasteners. Almost the impossible to reach fasteners where you can't fit a wrench in there. You can't fit anything in there. You can get these bad boys in there. And again, make your life a dream versus a nightmare. So SAE and metric, both same price. Decent carrying cases, but it's Icon, so high quality. And at $60, at 60% off, you're getting it for $36. $36. And then last but not least, I think I've tried to sell these for the past month or two, but what I didn't realize is that yes, this is great to stack with the 30% off, but you should be able to stack this at least through the 14th with the 40% off. And if you've bought these in the last 2 times, you've likely already lost at least half of the pieces in this set. And so you can get the $12 at 40% off. You're getting this set for $7.20. And those are the top picks for the sockets. How did I do? Did I do terrible? Probably did, but this is where you get your chance. Let me know which ones you're aiming for. Let me know where you're trying, which sockets you're trying to get. I know we skipped through a bunch, but those are the ones that caught my eye and that I would recommend. Anyways, let me know what you're thinking. Good luck out there. Happy harbor freighting. Who's getting up early in the morning that Monday, setting up shop? Anyways, if you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.